Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I've made a video, but I'm glad to be back, you guys. I think I took like a month off. I don't know what was going on. Actually, I do. I had weddings and things like that and work. I've been busy and tired, but I'm back with a new video. So this is a video, a hair tutorial, if you must know, and you probably know by the thumbnail of this video. But yeah guys, I'm gonna show you how I got this hairstyle, this protective style. It's really easy, really simple to do, and you know, since it is Christmas time, which is my favorite time of the year if you didn't know, I'm going to be doing a series where every week I upload a video or a tutorial that you can wear to like holiday parties, things like that during the holidays. And that's just going to be something I'm going to do. I'm going to try it out. So we'll see. Since this is the first week of December, this will be the first video in my series. And it's to protect the style. So with all that being said, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you to anyone new who's coming in. Welcome to my channel. And if you are not new, then welcome back, you guys. If you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look, you guys, then don't go anywhere and keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be doing a protective style. So I just wanted to show you guys that I already sectioned off my hair and detangled. So now I'm just going to unravel the front pieces so I can make a part down the middle of my head. I'm just showing you guys how you can see the unevenness in my hair. Like one side is definitely poofier than the other, but that's okay because that's what this is all about, recovering my hair and making it better. So I'm just taking my rat tail comb and I'm just making a part. My hair is getting in the way, so I kind of had to just put it to the side because it was just too much. So yeah, you just want to comb it out, clean it up, and make sure that everything is nice and even and clean. So we're just parting the hair so we can make a braid to go down the middle. Okay guys, so I'm just putting the rest of my hair away right now, and we're going to work on this middle section here. We're going to do a stitch braid, and I've separated it into 4 different sections, leaving the front out with no rubber band. And it's really easy. All you gotta do is just apply a little bit of gel and secure the small part with the rubber band, and we're going to work on a stitch braid. So I'm putting some gel in the front of my hair to help keep everything nice and sleek, and we're going to be using a little bit of extension hair, so that's what I'm doing right now. It's just separating some, just a small tiny piece, and then we want to use a thin piece so it's kind of invisible in the front, and you just cornrow your hair, making sure to grab, you know, the hair nice and tight so it's nice and neat, and also camouflaging the rubber bands that we used to secure our parts. And that is how you make an easy stitch braid. And then you just braid your hair all the way down. I had to flip mine over so I could braid my hair all the way to the end, as you see me doing right here. And I just used a rubber band to secure the ends of my braid. And then put that away, and we're gonna work on putting the rest of my hair into a ponytail. Yeah, I have a lot of hair, you guys, and it's really thick. And this is a sort of kind of blow dried look. I didn't really blow dry my hair out. It was a braid out, and I detangled my hair to make it look like it's a blowout. But I can make a video on that if you want to see how I did that, guys. It's like a heatless blowout. Anyway, so I'm going to use my good old Pro Style black gel, and I'm just gelling down my edges, gelling down the, you know, the exposed parts of my hair to kind of make it as sleek as possible. You don't have to like saturate your hair with the gel, but this is just what I'm going to do to try to get it as sleek as possible, because my hair isn't straight, so it's not going to be like a smooth, sleek bun. But we're going to get it, you know, to lay down as best as we can. So this took me about 5 minutes to do, guys, to put my hair in a ponytail. It took forever because my hair was so thick, and I just didn't realize how long it took. So it took me a while. But now that that's done, we're going to work on our edges. You know, want to lay down those baby hairs, or create them if you don't have any, because I really don't have baby hairs like that, but I have to kind of, you know, fake it like I do. So I'm just, you know, laying mine down. You can lay yours down however you like your edges to be done. I'm not too, you know, keen on the crazy, you know, looking kind of edges, so I just kind of do mine the way I like it. Nice and easy, nice and simple, still cute, and, you know, that's just how I like it. Yeah, and besides, I don't know how to do all that other extra stuff, like, you know, making the edges and stuff like that, so yeah, at this point now, I'm going to try to see if I can just do something with this top here for now, because I'm not working on that right now. And as you can see, I just don't even know what to do with it. It's like, it's just so much hair, and I didn't realize how much hair I had until I tried to put it in a high ponytail just now. So we're going to tie our hair down. You know, you kind of want to just, you know, set those edges you just did. So I'm tying my hair down so I can work on, you know, minimizing the amount of hair I have here, because we're going to use braiding hair to make our bun. So you're going to just twist it or braid it, or however you like to secure your hair underneath your braiding hair. You can just do that. Me, I'm going to twist it because that's the easiest thing for me to do right now. So I just twist it all the way down, and I'm just going to secure that with the rubber band, just to make sure my twist stays nice and tight. And then I'm going to take that and just roll it into a small tight bun, as tight as I can without, you know, making it too tight. I don't want to hurt myself. And I'm just using a small rubber band to secure that bun. You can use 2 or 3, however many you like, but, you know, not too much, because you don't want to, you know, break your hair off. Okay, so now that my edges are kind of laid down, I'm just, you know, fixing my scarf back. So you want to leave this on your head for a few minutes to kind of just set your hair, set your edges. 10 minutes is pretty good. In the meantime, you can, you know, prepare your hair for your bun style. Me, I'm using this hair by Sensational. It comes in 3 packs. The hair is already like separated. It's like the best hair that I've found for like braiding hair, because the ends are already tapered off, so you don't have to do that extra work. And it was $6.99 a pack at my local beauty supply store. Not quite sure how much it would be at your beauty supply store, but it's not that expensive. It's definitely less than $10. So I'm using 2 out of the 3 bundles they have in the pack, and that's what I'm going to use to make my bun. And I'm just using the same rubber band that came with it to secure the 2 bundles together. And I'm going to take that top part of the rubber band and tie that around my hair, around my bun. Yeah, guys, this style is not hard. It's fairly easy. if you know how to braid and you know how to put your hair in a bun, then you can do this style. Yeah, and this hair, you know, is very soft. It's so nice. Like, I'm definitely gonna use this hair, quite often. As long as they keep making it, I'm thinking this is gonna be the type of braiding hair that I purchase. So at this point, I was kind of figuring to see how it would work with me to do a ponytail because that's a style that I'm interested in doing. But right now, we're just gonna make a bun, and I'm just twisting the braiding hair. And I'm also gonna secure the end of that with a rubber band. And just twist it around your bun until it's to the size and the shape that you like it to be. You want to tuck the end underneath, fix your braid, make sure everything is nice and straight, and secure with the bobby pin. Now you can use as many or as little bobby pins as you feel you need. If you want to make sure this bun isn't going anywhere, then use as many bobby pins as you like. I think I used about 6 or 7. I used, you know, a combination of the big bobby pins and the small ones. And you just want to make sure your bun stays put. Now, if you secure it well, this style should last you all week as long as you make sure you tie your hair at night. And of course, you'll have to redo your edges. But I'm using some spritz to kind of just set it, to make sure my flyaways don't fly away, obviously. And I'm just smoothing everything down with the end of my rat tail comb and taking out some of my, sides to see, how my little, I call them piggy tails because when you coil your hair, they kind of look like the tail of a pig. So just doing that. And you don't have to do this part. You can skip it if you'd like, if you don't like your little sides hanging out. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I mean, it's quick, it's easy, it's cute. You can wear this, to dinner. I know holiday parties are coming up, so this is a great style for that occasion. Here, I'm just putting them away to just show you how it looks without it. Yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I mean, that's the end of this tutorial. If you like it, be sure to give me a thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up the video if you like this style. Let me know if you tried. You can tag me on it in Instagram. Just at me in your picture if you tried this style. But yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Love you.